Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for the 31 days of Halloween. As you can see, today we're doing the Black Widow. Just a little bit of spiders and spider web for a little bit of Halloween fun. Today, as you can see, my brows are already done. And we're going to hop right in and start working on our eyes with this MatteTrimony palette from theBalm. All we're going to do is a little bit of a smoky eye. We're going to use those darker shades on the palette. And we're going to smoke it out with a little bit of brown around the edges. As you can see, both eyes are done now. We've got our full face on. Next, we're going to jump right in with the new Wet n Wild highlighter. But we're going to use this as a contour today, just to give it a little bit more of a Halloween-y vibe. Took a nice big fluffy brush and just blended it right in. Blended like a dream. Here we are going with Morphe's gel liner in black. Here we're just going to create those lines for the web. We're also going to use this to connect the web with all those spontaneous lines. Then later we're going to go through a little small brush and smudge them out, smoke them out a little bit. Now I didn't want to go through and do the traditional spider lines that you see on most spider web looks, so I went through and kind of did some random lines. I did a little research before doing it and made sure I had a different type of pattern or rhyme or reason to it. So didn't want it to look all symmetrical and whatnot. I wanted it to look a little bit random with a different vibe to it. I really like the way this came out. Here I am just going in with that small pointed brush and just smudging these lines out just a bit, kind of giving it like a shadowing effect. I don't want them too dense either. I want them to look super spontaneous, but also different densities as we go. Some more dense, some lighter, all kinds of different effects here as we go. But smudging it really helped with some of the shadowing and shading that I wanted to give it, and then later we went and highlighted it, really gave it that last oomph that it needed. I wasn't going to add any blush, but I decided we needed a little bit of something for these cheeks, so just going in with Tarte's Amazonian Clay Blush in Party. Next we're going in with Suva Beauty's Hydra liner in Space Panda. These are water activated liners that are really easy to use, that I really love. Spray a little water in them or just dab a wet brush in them and they are good to go. Pretty amazing, and they stay really well. Here we are just using that gel liner from Morphe again and creating these little mini spiders all over the face, which I thought were super cute. And then we're going to add some individual lashes to the spiders. I didn't show you me adding the lashes to each spider, but I showed you I think at least one. But you add as many individual lashes as you want to each spider. You just glue them on a little lash glue and let them dry. Add 2 to each side or add 1 to each side. Up to you. Depends on how big or small your spider is. But they came out super duper cute. I don't normally use Wet n Wild lipsticks, but I thought, hey, it's Halloween and they put out a bunch of pretty cool stuff for Halloween, so I grabbed one of their lipsticks to try out and put on and use for this look, and it was cute. It was great for the look. It had a glossy finish to it, and I liked it. It was comfortable. And it was $2. So, yeah, there you go. I love her. And she's adorable. And here we are using another one of their new Halloween highlights. Everything's going to be linked down below too, because I don't have the names off the top of my head, but they'll be down below. And the highlight, they're so cute, and they have little skulls on them, which you guys know how much I love skulls. But these are just great Halloween-y vibes that they had with their items and everything. And they have more highlighters, so definitely make sure you check them out. They always have cute stuff around Halloween, great stuff to make your looks super duper easy, and they're affordable as hell. Go get them while they're still there, because you know they always sell quickly, super quick. So here's the finished look, and the only thing I had to add was the lashes from the Foxy Babes called Aphrodite, and I went and got some spider webs and just wrapped my little self up in them. So I hope you guys love this look as much as I did. It came out super cute, and it was pretty simple if you don't have a costume yet. So thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you loved the tutorial as much as I did, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!